Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let us see. Aries. Ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong week na to for Aries? Libra, the idealist. Harmonious cooperation with someone. You also have the Sun. Having the energy that you need. Wow. So, sobrang empowered kayo ngayong week na to. Maaring you will be meeting some people, coordinating with some people, may mga projects kayo. I think mas kayo ngayon, motivated. Ayan. And maaring marami rin kayong mga creative endeavors ngayong week na to. Mga projects, may mga business, ganyan. So what else? You have the Knight of Cups. You're manifesting your desires, especially sa love life, sa relationship. You have the Nine of Cups. Ay, iba sa inyo rito, may celebration, maaring may parties na pupuntahan. Yung iba naman, merong bagong member ng family. Oo. Someone or something that will bring joy, happiness in your family. So, pag sinabing something, pwedeng meron kayong bagong sasakyan, bagong bahay, or kung ano man na gamit na material na bagay na magpapasaya sa family ninyo. And if this is someone, this can be a new baby or a new member of the family, 'di ba? Oh, may Three of Cups. A lot of celebration. Yung iba sa inyo, Aries, marami kayong mga pupuntahang events. Oo, some of you will also spend time with your friends. Yes, may inuman. Uy, ano to? Three of Swords and the Page of Wands. Merong may disappointment sa isang tao. Oo. This can be someone na mas bata sa'yo or a young person na related sa'yo. What is the Three of Swords? Ano tong Three of Swords? The Hierophant. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng issues sa inyong marriage, no? Kung meron na kayong asawa. Oo. Pero kung wala kayong asawa, hindi 'yon. Hindi para sa inyo yung energy na 'yan. But I'm seeing misunderstanding, miscommunication with someone na very close sa'yo, binded by contract. So, pwedeng business partner mo or asawa. Oo. So, tingnan natin ano pa. Some of you naman, maaring meron kayong mga pinag-aaralan ngayon. Nire-research, pwedeng sa school. Pero it seems na nagsa-struggle yung iba sa inyo. Oo. Doon sa pinag-aaralan ninyo. Pwedeng hindi nyo nababalance yung time and energy ninyo dyan. Merong new job, new career para sa iba. Maaring yan yung celebration ninyo. Isa-celebrate ninyo. New job. Or meron kayong papasuking bagong business. Ayan. Seek out information that will help you. So, di ba nabanggit ko kanina na yung iba sa inyo merong gustong pag-aralan, i-research. So, kung meron kayong interesado kayo sa isang bagay, no? Importante rin dyan na you do your homework. Kumbaga, wag mong hayaan na meron lang isang tao magsasabi sa'yo, no? Ito yung gagawin mo. You also have to do your responsibility na ikaw mismo ang maghanap pa, mag-research ka pa. Oo. Of course, may mga mentors, ganyan, may coach, may trainer, but hindi lang laging sa kanila ka kukuha ng information. Ikaw mismo yung maghahanap nun, no, for yourself. Peace and harmony. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, ang main focus rin ngayong week na to is umiwas sa mga gulo, sa drama. So, mas pipiliin nyo ngayon na magkaroon ng tahimik na buhay. Oo. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. I think ito yung disappointment na pwede nyong maranasan this week. Yung mga balakid, no? Humahad lang. Halimbawa, may mga plano ka sa buhay, tapos merong person sa buhay mo na hindi susuportahan yung gusto mo. So, yung iba, hindi na nga sinusuportahan, hinaharangan pa. Oo. So, may some sort of disappointment dito sa inyo. So, kailangan ipaglaban nyo yung gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo talaga yun, di ba? Oo. Tingnan pa natin. For Aries. Energy nyo to, Aries. Merong Aries in Mercury. Mercury in Aries in the 4th house. Fourth house, family, home life. So, iba sa inyo pwedeng nagkakaroon ng struggle with your family, communication issues, no? Pwedeng meron ditong, yun nga, meron kang mga gustong i-pursue, gawin sa buhay, pero may mga pumipigil na gawin mo yun. So, tingnan natin, ano pa, please tell us something about this Mercury in Aries. Okay, may bumaliktad. See, you have the 10 of Swords. Tingnan mo, nagbabasa siya ng book. Oo. But, sa totoo lang, nahihirapan na siya. So, I feel like you are doing things on your own. Kasi gusto mong ayusin or paunlarin yung sarili mo. Kaya lang, hindi mo nakukuha yung supportan na gusto mo. At syempre, pag ganun, it's frustrating. See? You have the 8 of Pentacles. Pero hindi ka magpapatalo, no? Kahit mag-isa ka lang, you are going to work hard for it. You're going to master a skill. Alam mo, eventually, itong skill na to na gusto mong gawin, i-pursue, you will, ikaw ay magiging successful rin dito. Oo. Diba? 6 of Wands. Sa una lang, no, may confusion. Sa una lang, parang you feel left out. But eventually, you will gain that success. See, may Ace of Pentacles. There's a new beginning, a new opportunity in terms of your money, career, or sa finances mo or business. Okay? So, success is going to be with you, Aries. So, don't worry. Okay? So, that is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.